Haitian artist activist Smith George. Welcome, Mr. George.
Thank you.
I'm very honored to receive this award this evening.
Good morning, Mr. Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas. And I have a question for you. First of all, I know your policy on immigration is day and night comparing to President Trump. Thank you so much for the effort that you are putting together. My question to you is, Title 42 will expire on May 23rd. That's one. And I know you are allowing Ukrainians, give them asylum to come to the United States. They are currently on the border of Mexico and the United States. There are Haitians who've been waiting there for like 2 years. And I would like you also to grant them asylum as much as the Ukrainian. And my question also, would you please extend TPS for the Haitians who are already here past July 29? My name is Smith Georges. Thank you.
Haitian boy running through the Miami airport to meet his United States adoptive parents. And I heeded there to...
My name is Smith Georges. I'm a community leader. I also ran for Manhattan Borough President. I'm just watching how the refugees from Ukraine are being embraced. The white refugees from Ukraine are being embraced. However, when it comes for the Haitians seeking asylum, and I see how the officers, immigration officers, are on horses, or I would say the white robot on horses, chasing those Haitians under the bridge of Del Rio, Texas. And you know, this is kind of insane. What is your opinion on how whites are being embraced seeking asylum versus the Haitians?
Yes, sir. You said it right here.
Oh, Haïtien rassemblé, pas dit pas Nek boy ici rassemblé, nous tous concernés. Kousa pas bon, kousa pas bien passé. C'est nous tous cap crier.